Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove your uploaded documents from Claude. So I'm going to show you how to remove them from a Claude project that you've uploaded them to or a Claude chat. So if you have any projects, you can go over to your project tab, look for the project you'd like to remove your files from. So let's say this one, and you're going to be able to access the project files right here once you've opened the project.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish AI tutorials regularly, helping you guys to learn and to use the latest AI tutorials. And so if you're finding these videos helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when we release future videos to come. Now let's continue.
Simply mouse over any particular file and click on the remove button that appears. You can also remove files by batch by clicking on the small box at the bottom right of each preview. And as you can see, you can select multiple ones and then click on the delete button that appears. So that's the first way of removing your uploaded documents from Claude. Now, if you have any documents uploaded in a singular chat, unfortunately, the only way to remove those is to delete the entire chat history itself. So a quick way of looking for chats like those is to go over to your chats tab, which you can find at the left-hand side of your screen. Look over which particular chat you'd like to check, whether there's any uploaded documents. And if there are, you should be able to see a shared files button at the top right-hand side of your screen, right beside the share button. So if you click that, you're going to be able to see artifacts that Claude has generated, as well as any uploaded documents. So this is how you're going to be able to find them. So as I've said before, unfortunately, right now, there's no way to delete singular messages. The only way to get rid of them is going to be to delete the entire chat conversation. So simply go back to your chats list, look for the chat in question, and once you mouse over it, you're going to see a small menu appear. Go ahead and click on that, then click on delete, and you're going to be able to confirm the deletion of this particular chat along with any documents that were inside of it. So that's really all it takes, just a few clicks and some simple menu navigation. That's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.